On the front lines of war, humans face unimaginable risks, from threats of ambush to the horrors of explosive devices. In response, robotics have emerged as a game-changing ally. Engineered to undertake the most perilous tasks, these machines can scout hostile territory, defuse bombs, and even engage in combat, all while keeping human soldiers at a safer distance. The U.S. military, in its continuous pursuit of technological supremacy, has assembled an array of robotic warriors, from remote-controlled weapon systems to autonomous ground vehicles. Join us as we reveal the most advanced robots in the U.S. Robotic Army.
Compact, agile, and rugged, the Micro-Tactical Ground Robot, or MTGR, is a game-changer for troops operating in diverse and challenging environments. The MTGR, manufactured by Roboteam Inc., is a lightweight, all-terrain tactical robot specifically designed to aid military, law enforcement, and public safety operations. Weighing just 16 pounds without wheels and 19 pounds with them, this robot is not just portable, but also built to handle tasks that range from reconnaissance to explosive ordnance disposal. Its dimensions are 17.9 inches in length, 14.5 inches in width, and 5.7 inches in height, allowing it to navigate at narrow and complex terrains with ease. This robotic marvel can be remotely controlled and is known for its ability to maneuver over obstacles and climb stairs with a slope of up to 45 degrees thanks to its superior design and mobility. It's equipped with a 4-degree of freedom manipulator that can lift objects weighing up to 22 pounds, combining functionality with operational flexibility. The MTGR is not just robust, but also smart. It features a ruggedized Operator Control Unit ROCU-7 with a 7-inch screen that allows operators to control the robot under various lighting conditions, enhancing its usability in real-world military scenarios. The system's all-weather capability, with operational temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures reliability under extreme environmental conditions. Recently, the U.S. Marine Corps recognized the strategic advantage of the MTGR, placing an order valued at about $30 million for more than 130 units.
The U.S. is launching their most advanced, fully robotic army, and in the lineup of its most advanced robotic soldiers, Eagle Prime stands out as a towering figure. This 15-foot-tall, 12-ton mech isn't just a piece of technology, it's a fully functional robot warrior designed for more than just the battlefield. Eagle Prime, engineered by Megabots Inc., is a marvel of modern robotics and engineering. Unlike traditional robots designed for subtlety and surveillance, Eagle Prime is built for power and spectacle, equipped with a range of heavy equipment that can be swapped out depending on its mission. Its arms can wield giant chainsaws, powerful cannons, and even car-sized fists that can crush obstacles with ease. This robot's structure is based on a human-piloted system where operators inside the cockpit control its movements and weapons. The cockpit is armored with bulletproof glass and reinforced steel to protect the pilot. This dual operations system allows Eagle Prime to perform complex tasks that require human judgment backed by robotic precision. One of the most exciting features of Eagle Prime is its hydraulic power system. This system powers its movements, allowing it to handle objects and execute tasks with both strength and finesse. Whether lifting heavy debris from a road or wielding its massive chainsaw in a demonstration, Eagle Prime can execute a variety of actions that demonstrate its power and agility. On the technical side, Eagle Prime represents a significant leap in robotics. It incorporates advanced sensors that help in navigation and object recognition, vital for both combat scenarios and civilian applications. These sensors also enable Eagle Prime to operate in challenging environments, from rocky terrains to post-disaster urban settings, where navigation and debris removal are critical. In terms of military strategy, Eagle Prime could play a crucial role in missions that require brute strength and high visibility. Its ability to be outfitted with different tools and weapons makes it versatile for various scenarios, from combat to humanitarian aid.
The visual impact of a robot like Eagle Prime also has psychological effects on the battlefield, potentially deterring conflicts before they escalate.
In the heart of military innovation, the United States has taken a giant leap into the future with the introduction of Atlas, its latest and most advanced fully robotic soldier. Designed by top robotics experts, Atlas is built to handle tasks that are too dangerous or complex for human soldiers. It can navigate through harsh terrains, defuse bombs, and even assist in rescue operations. What makes Atlas unique is its ability to operate autonomously, making real-time decisions during critical missions. Now, let's break down the capabilities of Atlas. First off, this robot can lift over 200 pounds effortlessly and sprint up to 20 miles per hour. It's equipped with advanced sensors that give it a 360-degree awareness, allowing it to detect and respond to threats faster than any human could. The technology behind Atlas includes some of the most advanced artificial intelligence. This AI is not just about following commands, it's about learning from each experience, adapting and improving with every mission. This means that Atlas gets smarter over time, able to handle increasingly complex strategies and tasks. But how does Atlas fit into the broader scope of the US military's plans? Well, the goal is to have these robotic soldiers work alongside human troops. They can perform reconnaissance missions, provide firepower support, and even evacuate injured personnel, all while keeping human soldiers out of immediate danger. Moreover, the implications of deploying Atlas go beyond just combat. These robots could fundamentally change humanitarian missions, providing aid in disaster zones where conditions might be too unstable or hazardous for humans.
Stepping into the future of military robotics, meet the T360 M2 Mutt, a real game-changer in tactical combat engagements. This weaponized variant of the multi-utility tactical transport is not your average battlefield robot. It combines firepower with the latest robotic technology, ensuring the U.S. Army stays ahead in the era of modern warfare. The T360 M2 Mutt is all about bringing advanced capabilities directly to the ground forces without putting human lives at risk. With its robust wireless remote control system, operators can maneuver the Mutt from a safe distance, making it an essential asset in hostile environments. Imagine a robot that not only scouts ahead, but also packs a punch with its integrated weapon systems. What sets the T360 M2 Mutt apart is its adaptability in various combat scenarios. Equipped with a T360 A4 M2 module, this robot can lay down suppressive fire or engage targets with precision, all while troops maintain a strategic distance. This capability not only enhances troop safety, but also increases operational effectiveness in field operations. The T360 M2 Mutt's design emphasizes mobility and firepower. It can traverse challenging terrains from sandy dunes to rugged mountain paths, ensuring it can be deployed in diverse environments. The platform is designed to carry and operate multiple weapon systems, depending on the mission's needs, from machine guns to grenade launchers. In terms of deployment, this isn't just a concept or a prototype. The T360 M2 Mutt has been actively tested and is poised for deployment, signaling a new chapter in robotic combat systems. Unlike any traditional combat vehicle, the GuardBot is a sphere-shaped robot designed to tackle both terrestrial and aquatic environments with ease. Developed initially for a Mars mission that never came to fruition, GuardBot found its place in military operations where its unique design and versatile capabilities stand out. Measuring anywhere from 2 to 9 feet in diameter, this robot can maneuver over various terrains, from sand and snow to water. Yes, it swims too. GuardBot operates via a pendulum motion system, with batteries powering motors on either side of its spherical body. This enables it to roll forward or backward and pivot in place. Its speed is modest yet efficient, reaching up to 6 miles per hour on land and 3 knots in water. These capabilities allow GuardBot to sneak up on objectives or swiftly cover large areas without the need for roads or human guidance. What sets the GuardBot apart is its surveillance proficiency. Equipped with 2 high-definition cameras,
cameras, one on each side, it offers a 360-degree view, ensuring comprehensive visual coverage. These cameras are integrated with night vision and can stream live video back to command centers, providing real-time intelligence without risking human lives. But that's not all. GuardBot can also be fitted with sensors to detect chemicals, metals, or even explosives, making it an invaluable tool for reconnaissance missions, securing perimeters, or even monitoring environmentally sensitive areas. Given these features, the GuardBot is not just a tool for combat, it's a multifunctional robot that can assist in rescue operations, environmental monitoring, and even traffic control during peacetime. On the strategic level, incorporating devices like GuardBot into the military's robotic fleet enhances operational capabilities without escalating human risk. This aligns with the U.S. military's vision to integrate more unmanned systems into their ranks, aiming for a blend of human oversight with robotic efficiency. Looking ahead, the U.S. plans to increase the number of GuardBots, integrating them with other robotic systems to create a network of autonomous sensors and effectors.